Hello and welcome back to Journey Beyond. Today I will be previewing something a little different than I usually do. I usually do a lot of HSN hauls and Crafter Companion unboxings, but today I'm going to be doing the monthly subscription box I got from Hero Arts. So I did order this in the beginning of April, and I guess due to the COVID-19 I didn't get it until, oh my goodness, let's see, maybe May 12th or 13th. It was quite a long time before I got it. So I'm going to say I am new to Hero Arts. I've actually watched a few other people on YouTube use a lot of their stamps and their dies and things like that. So actually before I bought this kit, I had actually bought a few other kits that I will preview in a different video. But I wanted to show you what I got in this kit, and this is for the kit for April. So it was kind of an Australian theme. So I'm just going to show you this. So this is what it's supposed to come like this with everything packaged underneath it. Mine was not. Mine was just thrown in a box. They didn't even wrap it, didn't put it in any packaging. I was a little surprised when I opened the box, I'm not going to lie. I was just like, wow, okay. Anyways, the kit contains a 6x8 clear set of stamps, coordinating frame cuts, a landscape stencil, two 5x5 by 8x5 cherry wood sheets, and 3 of the same measurements adhesive birchwood sheets, and an intense black ink pad. Now I really do like their black ink pad. It is very dark. I love stamping with it. It comes out really well. So I'm going to show you that first. So here is the Hero Arts Intense Black ink pad. It is very, very good for stamping. I use this most of the time. The only time I use a different ink is if I'm using like if I'm using alcohol markers like straight away, I will just go with the Spectrum Noir Finesse ink pad, so I can just color. But if I have time to kind of just like have things like sit around and I'm going to use like a different type of marker like a Tombow or something like that, or if I'm just going to do a stamp without coloring it or anything else, I usually use this one. Next is the stamps. So here's a stamp set. It is really cute. As you can see, it has a bunch of, so all these are like silhouette animals. So you have like your kangaroo, you have your cockatoo, your koala, some other critters over here. You have a shark, a dolphin, and it says, "Have an awesome day. Happy birthday to Roo. I've got your back. Good day, mate." And some little trees right there and a stone. So this is their stamp set. Now here come their dies. So I'm not a big fan of how this came. Everything is connected together, and I understand that there's a lot of dies there, but I definitely was not impressed with this. I ordered from Crafter's Companion quite a bit in Diamond Press, and I love the fact that everything is like separated already. You just basically pull it off the back of they usually have it taped to a sheet, and then you're good to go. But this, you're gonna have to like cut out, use a and not that it's like difficult or anything. Like when you get to these like smaller animals, then it becomes kind of irritating, and sometimes you can't cut it out right. My husband was telling me, he's like, you need to go buy a metal file, and that's exactly what I did. So I use a pair of like wire cutters and I snip them all out on other ones I have purchased, and then just kind of file them down to smooth the edges. But I know Hero Arts has been around for quite a long time, and I don't know, I just didn't expect this, I guess. I was kind of surprised when I saw it all together like that instead of separated. Then they send you a landscape stencil. This is really pretty. It could be a sunset. You can make it like a moonscape, like a night sky, whatever you want to do with that. And then this is like the ocean. Very pretty. And these are the cherry and the birchwood paper that they give with you. So 3 of them are adhesive. So I think it's these 3 that are adhesive. And then these ones are just the paper. So their monthly subscription kit runs about $34.95. I do not belong to the the club or I did not sign up for the subscription because I didn't know if I would like it or not, and I'm kind of glad I didn't, just because not saying that I won't buy any of their future products, but I was just kind of surprised, like I said, like how this was packaged. I was not impressed with that at all. But some of the sets that I have purchased also, I did purchase off like eBay, and some of them are used, but they're really, really cute. There's one in particular I really enjoy, and I'm going to have to share that with you in a future video, and we can do a tutorial together. Very cute. But last, I'm going to show you a card that I actually made. So when I first got it, let's see if we can focus. There we go. I did make this card. Has a little sunset there with little dolphins and a little purple background, my little border. And then inside it's like this. It's just some barren hills with a tree and a kangaroo, and very cute. So overall, I'm going to say that I did like this set, but again, the packaging I was not entirely thrilled with. But so let me know what you guys think. Do you guys have this set? Have you used it? What are your thoughts on this? All right, you guys, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.